my name is Amber and this is Brunch with Burr. So today we're going to be making Bloody Marys. So refreshing. So, for a little bit about me, for everyone that's just joining my channel and don't know much about me, I am just a little brown girl with a cooking dream. Just kidding. No, I just like to cook. It makes me happy, and I specialize in brunch. So that's me. Other than that, I have two beautiful dogs. I just want to do like a how-to on how to make a Bloody Mary. This year, for my birthday, I tried my very first Bloody Mary at the Snooze in Phoenix. If you haven't gone there, definitely check it out. Best Bloody Mary I ever had. Well, the only one I had. It was so good. It was spicy, it was sweet. I didn't taste any of the vodka. I don't like to taste any alcohol in my drink, so that was wonderful. But it was one of those drinks where like, you don't taste it, but later on it like snuck up on me. Can't wait to see what it will taste like, and I hope it does taste like Snooze. This recipe has high standards now. When I was looking on the recipe, it said 8 ounces of vodka. That is a lot of vodka, in my opinion. I thought that we were maybe gonna do like 2 ounces, like maybe something like that, and then the rest tomato juice. But I guess that doesn't help with the legendary, if you have a hangover, you drink a Bloody Mary. I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna do 8 ounces of vodka. I got Tito's. Next, it says to do 10 dashes of hot sauce. It says Tabasco. I don't really know if there is a difference. I got Louisiana. And as you can see, I got the big size because Louisiana is that hot sauce. It is delicious. It is good. So 10 dashes of Louisiana. I know it says Tabasco, but let's see. Next thing it also says to do 10 dashes of is Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. If this is not how you say it, oh well. 10 dashes of Worcestershire sauce into your drink. Then a half of lemon juice. It said a real lemon, but I cheat. I just get the lemon juice. Let's make this easy. I didn't notice this. So you're gonna use Clamanto, El Original, tomato cocktail. I don't know why I said Italian. This is not Italian. This is definitely Hispanic. Wait. Clamanto, El Original, tomato cocktail. So as I was looking on this, it actually shows you how to make a good basic. Oh, this is a Michelada. Is this the same thing as a Bloody Mary? I have no idea. But look at it, shows you instructions. Let me see. Focus in. Do you see that? Yeah, it just shows you instructions on how to make a drink. So I think I'm just gonna follow these instructions, to be honest, because boom, 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 bada bang, boom, 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 bada bang. The next thing you'll be needing is celery. I love celery. Smells good, smells fresh, smells healthy, smells like water. You'll need salt and pepper. Now for your garnishes and for your decorations, I got bamboo skewers. So what we're gonna put on our bamboo skewers are these green olives. Green olives, I think they're disgusting, but I think they make the presentation, they'll make it look very nice. We'll also be adding our snack pickles. I love pickles! Can't wait for those. Also gonna be cutting slices of cheese. The final masterpiece is a little, look at my baby tahini, it's cute. You're gonna add this on the rim of your drink for that special kick. So when you're getting to the bottom, you're just gonna lick the ring off and you're gonna have a little tahini. All right, let's get started. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put your slices of bacon onto your pan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our bacon into the oven for 425 for 20 minutes. Okay, so while the bacon is cooking, we are going to want to wash our celery because if you don't, that's just nasty. There's all these people touching your celery and you don't want germs, you don't want what everyone has. So wash your celery, and then we're gonna prep it up by cutting the bottom and leaving the top because we want that fancy little garnish. All right.
Okay guys, so after your celery is beautifully cleaned, you're gonna get your sharp knife and you're gonna cut the bottom. And then you're just, oh, whoops. If it's still connected, keep cutting. And then yeah. So this one right here, this one's perfect. The length, the cute little garnish we got here. So this is the type of garnish that you would want to put in your Bloody Mary. Okay? Okay. All right. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get 2 pieces and just cut. We're going to want to cut little celery bits and put them into the drink. Get some texture.
Okay, so I've got my blender. We're not gonna blend it. Don't worry, this is not that type of channel right now. Well, it is that type of channel. It's just not this video. We're not blending. I'm just gonna use the blender to mix the ingredients so that it can just perfectly concoct together. Concoct, oh God. So, you're gonna get your celery. Yummy. You're gonna do your 8 ounces of vodka. Oh, did I say I like to drink? I literally like to drink juice. Oh my gosh. I feel like gagging. Oh. That's a lot of vodka. Oh my gosh, that's so much vodka, guys. This literally, oh God. I really want to try this because I've never tried this before. So let's take a little sip. Woo! Mmm. That tastes good. Picante. I'd rather just have this as a drink. Shoot. Okay. It said to add. Well, okay. I ended up not following the instructions right here. I did a mixture of this and that. So the 8 ounces was from the other article, and it says 6 ounces here, but I feel like I need to match that 8 ounce because I don't feel like dying tonight. So, okay, let's pour that 8 ounce in. Make mama happy. It smells so good, guys. I love this. Just drink it as an energy drink. Okay, pour that in. Let's see what that looks like. Bloody. Next we're gonna use 1/3 of lemon juice. Probably said it different. I'm psych, we about to do 1/4, y'all. Too much lemon ruins the drink. So I'm just gonna do 1/4 and see how that turns out. Then we're gonna do 10 taps of Louisiana sauce. So I'm thinking taps are just like clink clink. Okay, so 1. Ooh, dang! 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's definitely, these are coming out long. The Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if that's how you say it. It smells really good. It smells like a seasoning, like salt and pepper. 2, you do 10 taps of this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes good. Don't know really how to describe it. Just tastes like a seasoning in a bottle. My kind of thing. Next we're gonna use is some pepper. Really, I'm just gonna like pepper it. This is salt. You're just gonna 2 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna do our salt. We're gonna do 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love pepper. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey, look at this concoction. Okay, now let's make our shish kebabs. aka garnish sticks, for our drinks. Because remember, it's still a brunch drink, so you're gonna have, this is gonna be your brunch on the stick, and the rest is just gonna be your drink to get rid of that headache. I got Swiss cheese. You can have whatever cheese you want. It really doesn't matter. I got Swiss because I thought it tastes good with tomato sauce. And you know, now that I think about it, don't get Swiss cheese. Actually, no. This is a big asshole. So I'm gonna put the Swiss cheese like so, and then I'm going to get a little. We're gonna put a pickle on this. Put on pickle like so. So delicious. Another cheese like so. Pickled cheese. Okay, so the bacon just got done. I'm really excited. So now all you have to do left is do your little concoction and get your cup. So this and this. Okay, let's top that off. Actually, wait. I want to make room for my garnish. Add your garnish stick. Okay. After you put your garnish stick, you're going to want to put your piece of bacon on. And it's freaking hot. Oh yes. So we're gonna do a little baby tahini ridge. So what you're gonna want to do for the baby tahini ridge, look at that, I said tahini, is you're gonna want to just wet that ridge and salt it down. I would recommend doing it over the sink so that you're not adding salt all over your floor. But literally you just need to wet the rim and then just add the salt. See there? See what I did there? Now when I was adding it on the rim, I also added a bunch on top because I'm really scared. Snoozes was so good, but that was also a licensed bartender. This is me with my imagination. Okay. Bottoms up. Wow! Yay me! Oh, okay. Oh, that's not bad. I did a good job. I was really worried. I put a gang of vodka up in here, but it tastes so good.
It needs ice.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
Oh,
it's just
okay.
not cold.
That makes sense. You know, I missed that part. Put ice in your drink, but it does taste good?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, don't drink it all.
Needs ice though.
Well, that's actually really good, guys. Okay, I knew that I was missing something. Ice! Please make sure to put ice in your drink because it will taste a lot better because I was tasting straight up vodka, but Cameron said that mixture was good, so. Good thing I have a bag at home. Let's add the ice. Hi guys! Alright, I added the ice. Cameron said I didn't add enough ice.
Lots of ice. There's never too much ice.
Make sure to put a lot of ice in your drink. Oh, and you're probably also wondering why I'm wearing this bikini top.
Yeah, why?
Because I thought it'd match the drink and I thought I'd look so cute drinking it. Let's begin. Oh, there's so much garnish in this. Tastes good to me, baby.
Pretty goddamn good.
It is good, huh?
It's really good, actually.
I did a really good job.
Just needs more ice and salt.
Okay. Alright. Well, thanks for watching Brunch with Burr. Like and subscribe to this channel if you want more drinks like this. Bye, guys!